Will the real Swim Shady please stand up? For those of you who don't know, I am Dave, a 10-plus year intellectual property attorney dealing with everything from patents, copyrights, trade secrets, as well as trademarks. And it looks like your boy Eminem, aka Slim Shady, has sued an Australian-based company, Swim Shady, for trademark infringement. This should be an interesting one here for you guys today. I want you guys to kind of put on your law school caps and go back to school with me and kind of help me out on what you think this is trademark infringement, or do you think this is fair game? I'm in the great state of Michigan in the Detroit metro area, so I think your boy Eminem right down the street from me. I should have probably kind of called him up on this one. Nonetheless, again, I want you guys to help me decide whether or not this is trademark infringement. Slim Shady, Swim Shady, is the likelihood of confusion. That's the whole standard in trademark law. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section. First, as I'm pulling up this kind of page so we can kind of get an idea of what Swim Shady is, hey, please hit that like button for the YouTube algorithm, as well as hit that subscribe button to be a part of the IP community. So again, Swim Shady, it is a Australian-based company, and it looks like they sell canopies. Swim Shady, hey, Swim Shady, y'all got a trademark, man. I put an R in the circle at the end of Swim Shady to put people on notice that it is a registered trademark. Even though you guys are in Australia, shouts out to you guys for protecting the name Swim Shady here in the United States. So it seems like it's a canopy company. You see the canopies here. It's a nice amount of money. I'll tell you what, $130 for a canopy. But it seems like it blocks out the shade. You see them just chilling. Got the sunglasses on. Looks like this lady is reading. So that's essentially what Swim Shady, the company, is. They sell canopies. It seems like they got 4 different versions of it so far. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So let's kind of get to this article to kind of go through it here really quickly to see why is Eminem suing them for trademark infringement. Slim Shady, man. Like I said, I should have called Eminem up on this one. Again, let me know what you guys think as we're going through this article. Eminem, so this is a Billboard Pro. Shouts out to them. This came out today, earlier today, 11/18. Eminem takes legal action against Swim Shady beach umbrella brand. Confusingly similar. I have some thoughts on this one. So Eminem has launched a legal battle with an Australian beach umbrella brand company called Swim Shady. We just saw Swim Shady, their website. The rapper, whose real name is Marshall Mathers. I'll tell you what, man. Eminem has a lot of names. Marshall Mathers, Slim Shady, Eminem. He goes by a lot of names here. Is fighting a legal action at the USPTO seeking to cancel an American trademark that Sydney-based Swim Shady secured on his name earlier this year. So Eminem's attorneys say that the similar sounding name uniquely and unmistakably points to the internationally renowned recording artist and entertainer, that customers will be deceived into thinking he's somehow involved. The petition mark is highly similar to petitioner's name. His lawyers write in their September petition obtained by Billboard, consumers and potential consumers, and anyone seeing one of the respondents' products in the marketplace will assume that the source of the goods emanates from Eminem. So we care about we all know his background. 8 Mile. 8 Mile was one of my favorite movies coming up. The star has Slim Shady registered as a federal trademark since 2001. So he said Slim Shady registered for 24 years, holding rights to the name, covering a wide range of goods, and he's not afraid to enforce those rights. Yeah, it seems like he sued a number of people. So Swim Shady launched earlier this year to sell a small foldable beach umbrella, a product it says is aimed at solo beach goers who wanted better sun protection without the hassle. Seems like they also have some trademarks in China and the European Union, EU. In September, the USPTO formally granted the company an American trademark registration for its name, covering both beach gear and a wide assortment of apparel. Such registration makes it easier to sue someone selling knockoff brands. And obviously, like I said before, when we was at the website, you can put the R in the circle next to the name to put people on notice. Seems like Swim Shady's, but Eminem's lawyer in their September 29 petition. So they filed a petition to cancel the Swim Shady mark before the USPTO. Says Swim Shady trademark never should have been registered. Such cases filed with the PTO trademark trial and appeal board are a common way that the brand owners prevent others from securing rights to their names. So kind of so forth and so on. Like I said, I want you guys to kind of be the judge on this one. Now, Slim Shady has his trademark, Slim Shady registered not only for entertainment services, but also for clothing. And that's kind of where he's saying that it's kind of likely to confusion, because Swim Shady also has their mark protected in Class 25, which is clothing, apparel, things of that sort. So I want to know from you guys, do you think that if you ran into, whether it's at Sam's Club, Costco, online, if you ran into this kind of beach cannabis Swim Shady, do you think that you would think that you would be confused thinking that Eminem is somehow involved with it? I want you guys to let me know in the comment section. I don't think so. I think that number one, this is not trademark infringement. And I think it's further evidenced by the fact that they actually got a trademark registered before the USPTO. Now, if you told me that USPTO denied their mark because they thought it was a likelihood of confusion in light of the Slim Shady Eminem trademark for Slim Shady, I would say, okay, maybe we kind of getting somewhere with this. But the fact that the USPTO granted the trademark application, definitely they didn't think that it was trademark infringement or at least a likelihood of confusion. And the fact that they're really selling kind of beach cannabis. Yeah, they have it for clothing as well, but Swim Shady, Slim Shady, yeah, they kind of sound the same, but there's no way that I'm thinking Eminem is somehow involved with the whole Swim Shady, their brand, and kind of what it is that they're doing on their end. That's just kind of my thoughts. I definitely want to hear from you guys in the comment section. Like I said, when you're talking about the USPTO not thinking it, and there's nowhere in the article that the actual attorney for Eminem says that it's actual confusion. The two things you can have, or the best thing that you can have in these trademark infringement cases, is somebody saying, hey, we were actually confused. And when you don't have that, that's telling, in my opinion. That is no likelihood of confusion, number one. Then when the USPTO, when they don't think it's trademark infringement and they grant the trademark for the other company, in my opinion, that's another thing that goes into not being likelihood of confusion for, in this case, Swim Shady. So, I think Swim Shady has a good chance of keeping this trademark. Hey, so bad, Eminem, you can't win them all. That's just kind of my take on it. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section. Please hit that like button for the YouTube algorithm as we kind of wrap this one up. And go check out that ebook, Got IP, to the extent that you are looking to kind of come up with an idea to start a business, start to get a product, all the way up to monetizing that ideal and every step in the way, manufacturing, intellectual property, marketing. This ebook is pretty helpful for that. So definitely go check out that. That link should be in the description section. And again, I want to hear from you guys. Do you think that this is trademark infringement? You heard from me. I think Eminem has an uphill battle with this one. But hey, I'm just a 10+ year intellectual property attorney. What do I know? Let me know what you guys think in the comment section. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this one. And yeah, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.